The ancient practice of yoga, which has its origin in India, holds a cure to many disorders of the body. It is part of the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity list. Yoga does not just make you fit and healthy physically, but also makes your mind more active and strong. It improves your immunity, gives you a toned body, flushes out the toxins, improves circulation of blood, and has many other health benefits. Today's video will discuss 5 anti-aging yoga poses to keep you young. This low-impact practice stretches and strengthens your body. It is also effective in making your skin healthy and erases wrinkles. 1. Equal standing. In bare feet, stand on a yoga mat or the floor with feet parallel and together or hip-width apart, arms hanging at sides. Focus on the feet and how your body weight is distributed. Without lifting the soles of your feet off the floor, shift forward, backward, and side to side to move your body weight until you bring it to center. Moving your attention up the body, feel that your hips are stacked over ankles and shoulders over hips. Move the chin back so that the skull is balanced on the spine. Aim to find an equilibrium. That means you're using as little muscle strength as possible to stand. Imagine that a string is pulling you up from the crown of your head. Notice if you're slouching and stand up straighter without over-engaging any muscles such as the glutes. 2. Tree pose. Balance is notoriously more difficult as we age. Tree pose is a simple balancing posture that will help you maintain your abilities. Start in equal standing posture, then shift most of your body weight into the left foot and leg. Bring your hands to prayer position in front of the chest. Come onto the toes of the right foot and open the right hip and leg. If your balance is unsteady, keep your right toes on the floor, right heel against the inside of the left calf. If you feel stable here, lift the right foot off the floor and place against the inside of the left calf or thigh, being careful not to press against the knee. Take a few breaths, then slowly lower and repeat on the second side. 3. Squat. Strong thigh muscles will help protect the knees from pain and injury. Start in equal standing posture with feet together and arms at sides. Keeping the knees and feet together, sit back as though you were going to sit in a chair. Only go as far as you are comfortable and balanced, but do try to challenge your muscles. To protect the knees, make sure they're behind the toes and not moving forward. At the same time, reach the arms straight in front of you to help with balance. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.